Hello everyone. How was all of yours weekend? This is the start of the third week. Sorry, I hit my mic. This is the start of the third week of Monday through Friday videos. And I'm gonna start it off with a little web design. As you can see in the title there. But the title isn't there right now for me because I'm recording it. And once again, I'm recording it on a Saturday. So your weekend's still going on, but how was it? Tell me in the comments below. Alright? Yeah, that's all I have to say before the tutorial. So, here's what we got for old browsers that don't have CSS3. And what CSS3 is it's the brand new CSS. It's got cool cool stuff like box shadow is in CSS3, and yeah. So this is sort of an oldish browser, and that's why I have Firefox up as well, which shows us kind of what it really is supposed to look like. And on here it looks a lot better than it does on here. A lot better. So, oh darn, there's no way to make it always at the top. That's what we have for this so far, right guys? Well, right now, all these, we're not really going to change any of that. But this is a web design tutorial. So we're going to make this look better. Okay? And by better I mean we're going to add more of these boxes and actually start filling it up as if it were a little blog site. Actually, no, we're not even going to do that. Alright, this is it full screen. This is what we're going to be looking at now. So we made our nice little box, but we're going to ditch it. Okay? We're going to say goodbye, and we're going to make two content windows. One content window will be to the left. That will be like a little extra bar, and then to the right will be the content for that page. Today we're going to focus on making the part for the content. So we're going to go into index.html, and in wrapper we're going to make a div id equals content and cut. Alright, now content, if we go down here and we refresh the page, it didn't change at all. But there's a good reason for that. Content currently has no style. So we're going to go in here, our style sheet. Remember our wrapper total is 1000 pixels, right? Okay. We're going to change this up a little bit too. In here, we're going to add, actually we're just going to format this correctly. Box sizing, okay? Put this in. Box sizing, border box. Now, I'm going to copy this because it'll make life easier. Moz for Mozilla, O for Opera, and WebKit for Safari and Chrome. See, it got smaller. Why? Because now when we what this all did, seeing as we put it in all, which is what this little asterisk means, it means everything. Since we put it into everything, whenever, okay, let me just go down here to, where is it? Wrapper. Okay, now instead of having the width of it and then adding the side padding in, it's having the width and then the side padding is on the inside of the width. So it doesn't add to it, it just takes a little, it chops a little bit off and like so that you can't use, but you can still see it. Okay? So it's better that way. Because now we can control the width without having to do a bunch of math. Which is nice, right? Okay. And we're going to do one more thing to our navigation bar real quick that's kind of annoying me. Actually, we don't need to copy that. Alright. Go up to nav. Box shadow. 0, 0. And 3 pixels, 1 pixel. Black. Fail. Ah, there. See that little bit of shadow after this? So much nicer, isn't it? Okay, that box sizing messed this up a little bit. Yeah. We're gonna have to go fix that real quick. Nav-LIUL. Just change its position to top 30 pixels, maybe? Now it's too high up. And I don't really want to rely on this, because Firefox has its positioning off always. So I think I know the problem here. So, nav-li, height. Okay, we have 5 pixel padding on here. That's where our problem is. We're going to change the height to 40 pixels. And that should fix everything. Yep, it did. Except this isn't really fixed. Alright, seeing as we were doing all the math last time, we're going to have to fix this up. So actually this tutorial isn't going to be on content, it's going to be on box sizing. And fixing everything. And I'll make tomorrow's tutorial about our content. Nav. Or no, we already solved that. What we need to do is nav-LIUL. Top 40. Nope. ULI. Height 1.2. Yeah, okay. Do we have like a padding in here somewhere? No. So what's our problem? Why is this not working then? See, it's like going up and taking over some of the lettering of the thing above it. I've never seen that before. Oh well, I guess we'll live with it until I find the error just by scrolling over it. So, yeah. Even though it's gonna make me angry that I can't figure it out. We'll live with it for now, guys. I'll fix it later. Anyway, after the, actually we'll put before the nav, because the nav is annoying. Before the, no. Content. Alright. Oh. There's gonna be an annotation. That annotation is a shout out, guys. Shout out to @MarvMiskMusings on Twitter. MarvMiskMusings kinda won a tweet contest thing after I had filmed all of last week's videos. I had tweeted, and it was the first person to reply to my tweet got a shout out in the next available video. All of last week's videos were made, so shout out to you, Marv. Alright. And I think that Marvmisk Musings means marvelous, miscellaneous, amusing, or something. Okay, content. Follow her on Twitter. And me. At bballer13sn. Yeah. Follow. Alright. Content. width 700 pixels, and float nah, not float right. Actually, you know what? We're gonna have this on the left and then our other bar on the right, because I don't want to go through a ton of stuff to teach you guys something else. In index.html, does this box have anything? Or down here? Okay, we're gonna get rid of that width so that it just takes over all the area it's given. Alright, that's our content window. It's as wide as our content window gets, guys. Right there. So, we made our content window, and now let's make, just really quick, our sidebar. Up here. Div ID equals sidebar. And now, above content, sidebar, position fixed, because we kind of want just the content to look like it's scrolling. Right now you can kind of tell the entire page other than this is scrolling. We don't want that. Position fixed. Height 100%. Just so you guys can see it. Background black. No, white. That'll show up better on this basically black template. Border left. I don't know, guys. 2 pixels. Black, sure. And last but not least, margin left 700 pixels. Actually, that wasn't last. I lied. Width 300 pixels. Now we go over here and we refresh. We get this nice bar that, if we add content on, would appear as if it's not moving. We see there's this little gap here, but I guess we can't really fix that. Actually, we can, and we will. Change. Oh wait, let's go to wrapper. What's the padding for the top? 45 pixels. Cut that. 0. Top. 45 pixels, and then we're just gonna have padding top 45 pixels in the sidebar. There we go. Almost. Margin top, maybe. That moves everything. Why is the sidebar coming down with the content? Oh. Position relative. That might fix things. Not really. Anyway, we'll fix it all up next tutorial. Next tutorial will be fixing BB's mistakes or something. Which will be good because I'll teach you guys a lot about like template design and how there's a bunch of issues you can run into. It'll be helpful. And I'm just saying that to make myself feel better about completely failing on this episode. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please hit the like or dislike button corresponding to how you felt about this video, and I will catch you guys later.